Hi, this is Ross, founder of Roster brand. Thank you for purchasing my 8-week Bounce by Bauman program. This program will help maximize your vertical to its full potential on top of making you a better overall athlete. In this program, there will be 2 lifts which focus on posterior power and explosion, and there will be another 2 workouts during the week which work on plyometrics and dynamic movements. On top of that, I have a jump rope routine which I created, which is called the 120, which you'll be doing 3 to 5 days a week. Make sure to keep track of every single lift that you do, including the weight and the reps. This is crucial for maximizing your full potential. The Bounce by Bauman program is proven to put inches on your vertical. There were 6 people that did the program, including myself, and everybody went up at least 3 inches on their standing jump, all the way to 7 inches on their running jump. To make the program easy to follow, I've actually done a video library for every single exercise. So all you have to do is click on the exercise and it'll pull up a video of me demonstrate how to do it with proper technique. Thank you once again for investing in my Bounce by Bauman program. Make sure to track your results from beginning to end, and after you're done, you can email me your results and I will put them on my social media and give you a shout out.